DevOps Implementation, DevOps Training Bootcamp, Tonex Training. Length, 4 days. DevOps training incorporates both hypothetical and viable modules through which you will learn and encounter what you realize with certifiable tasks and activities. The functional module incorporates a few labs, bunch exercises, and hands-on workshops. You will learn about the value proposition of DevOps and DevOps tools, including Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, Docker Deep Dive, Ansible, etc. Audience. DevOps Training Bootcamp is a 4-day course designed for enterprise and solution architects, IT leadership, operations, and infrastructure people, CIOs and CTOs, system administrators, release engineers, configuration managers, developers and application team leads, Scrum pros, software managers, IT project and program managers, product managers. Training objectives. Upon the finishing of DevOps training bootcamp, the participants can comprehend the basics of framework and frameworks designing, comprehend the significance of DevOps, apply DevOps rehearses in their frameworks, use DevOps strategies and instruments fitting to their need, clarify and utilization of Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, and Docker Deep Dive, Ansible devices when fundamental. Enable framework robotization through the main setup instruments of Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, and Docker Deep Dive, Ansible. Plot a trail to consistent IT tasks in their very own partnership, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Course outline. DevOps Overview. Overview of systems engineering. The cultural aspects of DevOps. Executing the DevOps. The cloud platform. Operations. The deployment pipeline. Designing and testing DevOps. DevOps tooling. Plotting your development. Ansible application and configuration management. Docker Deep Dive. Chef DevOps deployment. Puppet DevOps deployment. Jenkins and automation. Tonex hands-on workshops and case study samples. Best DevOps Bootcamp, DevOps Training near me, DevOps Training Denver, DevOps Training Curriculum, DevOps Implementation Bootcamp, DevOps Engineering Bootcamp, DevOps Training Virginia, DevOps Bootcamp Seattle. Request more information regarding DevOps training. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.